Hello learners! It's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to construct a rectangle and measure the length of its diagonal. We can construct rectangles using a ruler, protractor, and compass. Consider a rectangle ABCD where AB is 6 centimeters and CD is 4.5 centimeters. What is the length of its diagonal AC? Let's construct rectangle ABCD to find out. Step 1. Draw a line AB that is 6 centimeters long using a ruler. Label points A and B. Step 2. Use a protractor to draw a line perpendicular to AB from points A and B. Make a mark at the 90 degrees angle for each point. Then, draw the perpendicular lines from each mark to points A and B. Step 3. Widen the awns of a compass to 4.5 centimeters and ensure the awns of the compass are fixed. Step 4. Draw an arc 4.5 centimeters from A and another arc 4.5 centimeters from B. Lastly, draw the line DC to complete the rectangle ABCD and label the points where the arcs cut the perpendicular lines C and D. Hooray! We have drawn rectangle ABCD where AB equals 6 centimeters and BC equals 4.5 centimeters. Now, we can draw the diagonal AC by joining the points A and C. What is the length of diagonal AC? Pause and discuss with your friends. The line joining points A and C is 7.5 centimeters long. So, diagonal AC is 7.5 centimeters. Did you get it right? Today we have learned how to construct a rectangle and measure the length of its diagonal. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.